DishDash is built on delivering high quality food to our customers in a quick fashion. All of our restaurants source the highest quality ingredients. Every order is actually cooked per order, and that has a lot to do with why we are so successful. Our customers can tell every bite they take is as fresh as it can possibly be. We started off as a small 1-unit restaurant, and we've grown to 5 units, going on 6 now. We have a lot of Epson products. Thermal printers stacked up, impact printers stacked up, a 7500G sitting there firing labels off, a 7260, I believe, workforce printer that's a super tabloid for some menus that we were doing. I mean, Epson has amazing quality products. We were using these off-the-shelf dissolvable labels, and they did the basics. We wanted to find a solution that was cost-effective and easy for us to manage and maintain and change. We were able to achieve that with Epson 7500G printer very easily.
At Durafast Label Company, we actually manufacture the blank labels that the customer needs. We get them the software that they need to design the labels, and then we get them the printer so they can actually print the labels. In Ashwin's case, their solution was very simple. They're using Bartender, a Windows-based software to help design the labels. They've created for all the different ingredients, the different products they make, and then different people can just easily pick the file, print it, and produce the labels very easily. Then they have their retail business where they're making bulk lakwa and other food products, so they can print beautiful photographic quality, high print resolution product labels, which the Epson TMC75G does.
All in all, between all of our businesses, we use about 40 different types of labels, meaning we print 40 different designs. So this has been a big help. Our catering customers love it. It organizes us internally to make sure that we have everybody's order, and it also organizes the customer to make sure that each one of their staff members or whatever it may be is getting exactly what they ordered. We're super happy with Epson in their quality of product, their customer service. It's a great relationship.